So let's start. Weigh your beans. We're using 15:1 ratio. We'll need 20 grams of coffee to 300 grams of water. The beans I'm using are from Sagada Arabica Dark Roast. Grind your beans until you get a consistency just like a table salt. Prep your V60 and coffee server and get that water to 190 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, grab your filter, rinse it with the water to remove that papery taste. This also heats up your coffee server. Never forget to dump the water inside your server before we start brewing. Pour your beans into the V60 and give it a little shake to even everything out. And before we start pouring, I just want to point out that you don't need any expensive stuff to do a pour over at home. Use some cheap alternatives and start brewing now. Let's start pouring. There's a guide up top. Just follow that. Just make sure start in the middle and do a circular motion to have an equal brew. The first two pours decide the balance of the acidity and sweetness. The remaining number of pours will decide the strength of your coffee. I usually end my brewing around 340 to 350 mark. The longer time of brewing, the stronger your coffee will be. And that's it. You can now enjoy your pour over coffee.